Join us in Antwerp for the 20th EBCA Convention, Europe's biggest baseball and softball coaching event. This event is organized by the EBCA, in partnership with the Royal Belgian and Dutch Baseball and Softball Federations. This year's lineup features top national and international speakers, ready to share their knowledge and experience. And for the very first time, we welcome softball coaches with 7 dedicated sessions led by world-class experts. Your full weekend ticket includes all sessions plus lunch on Saturday and Sunday, right inside the Mercure Hotel Antwerp City South. Register now and save. Early bird price is just €120 until August 31st. From September 1st, the price increases to €150. Discounted rooms at the Mercure Hotel Antwerp City South are only guaranteed until August 31st. Don't miss the 20th EBCA Convention, where Europe's baseball and softball coaches connect, learn, and grow. From the capital of diamonds to the baseball diamond. Register today. Go to our website at ebcabaseball.eu.